PUB's exclusive tip-top engineering.
Rest in peace to Mr. Bob Marley, to MC Bob Marley, to Busy Julius.
We gon' be good.
Love. Oh yeah, are we gonna be as big as Bob Marley? Oh yeah, we gonna be as big as Bob Marley. Big as Bob Marley. Yeah. We gonna be as big as Bob Marley. Yeah, oh yeah, redemption song. One love for low soldier. Mr. Bob Marley, legend in the stars. Please help bless the world, cause the world is getting colder. Please spread one love for low soldier. Smoke 3 different strains to heal my pains, but please Lord, this world needs some healing again. Please give us the finest herbs. One love. Please give us the finest herbs. Buffalo soldier coming with a redemption song. I got these 3 little birds. I got these 3 little birds. Whoa, yeah, guys. Whoa, we are jamming, yeah. Yeah, we jamming. Buffalo soldier, I got these 3 little birds that I've been slamming. These 3 little birds that I've been slamming. Whoa, one love, send us healing. Please stop the wars, please Lord, please stop the falls. Cause my heart falls every time I see the news, I see the wars. It's not Bob Marley, I will forever choose your music. It's helping my heart, it take me to place away from in a place that I can feel. One love, so I bow down and thank you when I said one love for my brother, Mr. Bob Marley. Mr. Bob Marley, one love, oh yeah, we gonna be as big as Bob Marley. Big as Bob Marley, yeah. We gonna be as big as Bob Marley, yeah. One love, oh yeah, redemption song. One love, big Buffalo soldier. Mr. Bob Marley, legend in the stars. Buffalo soldier. Please spread one love. Buffalo soldier. Smoke 3 different strains to help heal my pains, but please Lord, this world needs some healing again. Please give us the finest herbs. Please spread the word. One love. Please give us the finest herbs. Buffalo soldier coming with the redemption song. I got these 3 little birds. Oh, we are jamming, yeah. Yeah, we jamming. Buffalo soldier, I got these 3 little birds that I've been slamming. These 3 little birds that I've been slamming. Whoa, one love, send us healing. Please stop the wars, please Lord, please stop the falls. Cause my heart falls every time I see the news, I see the wars. It's not Bob Marley, I will forever choose your music.